On this beautiful Auckland morning, we're heading south to Waitomo. Beneath the rolling farmland here lies a whole hidden world. Hundreds of limestone caves sculpted by underground rivers over thousands of years. There are lots of ways to explore the caves, but with our limited time and budget, we decided on the classic Waitomo Glowworm Caves boat tour. Although the local Maori always knew of these caves, it wasn't until 1887 that Chief Tane Tinura and English surveyor Fred Mace undertook the first thorough exploration. Now about these glowworms, they're not actually worms at all. Most so-called glowworms are actually bioluminescent beetles. In Waitomo, they're gnat larvae with bioluminescent tails. Because the caves are considered sacred, filming inside wasn't allowed. But I can say that the boat tour itself was decent. Honestly, I'd give it about a 6 out of 10. I was expecting to float through long cave tunnels and look up at bright glowworms ahead of us. But really, you just sit in one chamber while they quietly row you back and forth, and the glowworms seem like faint stars way in the distance. It was kind of cool, but it felt shorter and less adventurous than I'd hoped. That said, there are plenty of other cave experiences in Waitomo, like black water rafting, abseiling, or exploring some of the less visited caverns. If you've got more time and an adventurous spirit, I'd recommend trying one of those.
I hope you guys are having a really good tour. I had a pretty good time.
Yeah. Woo!
Thank you.
Yeah. Now that we've finished exploring the caves, my sister and I wanted to stretch our legs with a short hike. We decided on the highly rated Ruakuri Bushwalk, which we thought was right next to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves. Oh, if it only were that simple. Here we go. Into the bush. Silver fern.
Silver fern of New Zealand.
New Zealand. Well, why do they call it a silver fern? Boop. Silver.
Silver.
On the underside of the fern is silver. So when they were hiking, they would turn this up to remember where they went. This is pretty. Alright, we think this is the next spot. We're a little confused because we came out along the road and now we're gonna have to go back in again. Hello. Hello, cows. Cows. All right, ta-ta for now.
Goodbye.
It started good.
My voice cracked.
Story time. I wasn't recording, but we were walking to the Ruakuri Bushwalk, and there's a lot of mud that we stepped in that we didn't realize was mud. I was in the front, and so I jumped back to get away from it, landed on this fence, didn't realize it was electric, got shocked, jumped back into the mud, and now I'm tired and we're heading back. After I got shocked and we made it back to the car, we found out that the Ruakuri Bushwalk is actually a short trail, but it's a bit farther away, and you can just drive to the entrance, so that's what we did. There's a beautiful Auckland winter day. Sun's come out, it's in like the 50s and 60s. We're about to do the Ruakuri Bushwalk. And we're right near the caves. Hello, how's it going? Where are we from? United States?
Whereabouts?
Yeah, Montana.
Oh,
California.
wow.
Yeah.
California.
Mm-hmm.
Legal marijuana.
Yeah, is it not legal here yet?
Nah, it might be legal here, but
No?
can't get the tax, see?
Oh.
That's what they want.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
yeah. And it's a free walk, this real cootie one.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Yeah.
GoPro got my camera going. I thought this was gonna be more level, but it's a lot of steps and uphill. Whoa. You think this is the wrong way? Oh. Cool. We're 2 for 2. And after yet another wrong turn, we finally stumbled onto the right path. Oof. Oof, oof. Nature viewing platform. Yeah, boy. This is cool. Whew, I'm tired. The legs got shocked. The Ruakuri Bushwalk ended up being really cool, and I definitely recommend it. Just make sure you drive straight to the parking lot and don't try to hike there from the Glowworm Caves like we did. You got your Doritos, your burger rings.